calling this adventure in Burnett. They have changed it on me. And I'm looking around. Ooh. Hot pickled carrots. Oh, amazing. Pickles. See? Let's look more around. Here's the better stuff. Beer. More beer. 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 Ooh. Vodka, maybe? Vodka. Cheese. Almighty cheese. Some other stuff. Some of these. Some other stuff. I'm looking at what different things. Ooh, flowers. Pretty flowers. 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 I like flowers. Ooh, big red bands. The sky. I am high off soda. No parking. Okay. Now I am on the outskirts. The wonderful outskirts. Shee. Saying there's a big semi truck bigger than me. Barely the height of this thing. Now we're going to the van. The van. That sidewalk's closed. Oh my god, it's closed! And there's the van starting up. Well, she'll turn north. Toodaloo.